Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon fried rice. First, let's talk about preparation. Having all your ingredients ready before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. You'll need about 4 cups of cold, day-old rice, 8 ounces of cooked bacon, and your favorite vegetables. This ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process, leading to a perfect dish every time. Now, let's build our flavor base. Begin by cooking about 8 ounces of bacon until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, but leave that flavorful rendered fat in the pan. Next, sauté 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1/2 cup of chopped onion until fragrant. Then, add about 1 cup of mixed vegetables like peas and carrots, cooking them until they are tender crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes. With our flavor base established, it's time for the star, the rice. Add about 4 cups of cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Next, pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which typically includes soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil. Stir-fry vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring every grain of rice is coated and heated through, developing that signature fried rice texture. For the grand finale, let's add those finishing touches. Return the crispy bacon to the pan and toss it gently with the rice. Create a small well, scramble 1 or 2 eggs directly in the pan, and then mix them throughout. Finally, garnish with about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped green onions. Serve your delicious bacon fried rice immediately, ensuring everyone enjoys it while it's warm and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.